Hi, and welcome back to the Cables RC channel. Several months ago, we purchased a couple of the Suchiyu 16101 RC cars known as the Truggy. We've also used the 16102 Pro car known as a race truck, and basically the chassis are the same on both those cars, but the bodies are different. But recently, we purchased this, the Gantry, on Amazon. This is the 16103 Pro. It was advertised on Amazon as being the 16103, as having a brushless motor, etc. Every price I had seen on Amazon was anywhere from $110 to $129, and this one we got for $26.40. So I wasn't certain when we purchased this if we were really getting the Pro version with the brushless motor and the ESC and everything else like the other Suchiyu cars that we've used in the past, which seem to be pretty decent quality. They're pretty durable, they're fast, kids have a great time with them out in the parking lot or out on a gravel field somewhere. So we purchased this, as I said, for $26.40. So we're going to open it up today, take a look at it, take it out for a speed test and bash it around a little bit and see what we got for our money. It doesn't come in the fancy 4-color box with the nice photograph on the front that a lot of the Suchiyu cars come with. It's just basically this yellow box with the black writing. It does not say that it's a brushless RC on the outside of the box, but we're gonna check this thing out and see what we got. It's looking like the typical Suchiyu that we purchased in the past. One thing I noticed right away that the battery is a 7.4 volt 1300 mAh instead of the 1500, which some of the others come with. But it's essentially the same radio transmitter. So we've got the unit itself, this one in the green color. I think it also comes in a white and a couple other colors. And then the Suchiyu package that comes with it, the instructional manual. Let's see what we've got in here. The manual itself looks like it comes with some stickers, gantry stickers for the windshield and some of the other parts to put around the car itself. Looks like we have the charger, screwdrivers, some preload shock springs, and a couple of extra clips is what this comes with, in addition to the extra battery. It probably has a battery inside the truck as well. Definitely says model 16103. Some instructions on where the decals go. And here you see it on the instruction book. Model 16103 cross-country truck, 16th scale, 4-wheel drive, battery-powered RC vehicle. Again, still doesn't say anything yet about being a brushless version, which is what it was advertised as on Amazon. So let's go ahead and pull the body off and see what's under the hood. This does advertise that it has LED lights, and so you see the wiring harnesses a little bit. I've already disconnected it from the ESC, but these have to be plugged back in when we set it up so that the lights will come on the front. So it's a row of lights here at the front of the truck, and we'll plug those in a bit and see what those look like. Now, in looking at this right off the bat, this is why this was $26.40. This is not the brushed version, the brushless version. This is a brushed motor. Has a little bit smaller ESC on it. So that is a little disappointing because it was advertised as the brushless motor. And that's probably why they raised the price back up to $109 on previous versions. But we haven't tried a brushed version yet of the Suchiyu cars, so I think we'll give this a whirl and see how it works. So once again, this is the 16103. It's not the Pro version. This is the version that comes with the brushed motor and a little bit lesser quality, lesser powerful ESC on it. Also comes with the friction shocks. So as one of the downsides about Suchiyu, for a few dollars more, especially in the Pro version, you think that they could put some oil-filled metal shocks, because the suspension on this bounces a lot with the friction shocks. So that's something that we'd like to see changed going down the road. But overall, pretty much the exact same layout as other Suchiyu. The chassis is basically exactly the same as other Suchiyu cars, the 16101 and the 16103. Battery here, the steering servo up here in front of the battery, the brushless motor here, and the ESC here with the on-off switch. This version also has the plastic wheel cups. Some versions you can get with the metal wheel cups. These are the plastic wheel cups, and this is one area where a lot of the Suchiyu products will break, is on the plastic steering cups. So we're going to put this back together and take it out and give it a spin and see what kind of speed we can get with the brushed motor. So we've got the new battery charged up and we're out in the street, and we're going to run a couple of speed tests here and see how fast we can get this thing going. Okay, here we go, ready? Come back. How fast? Again, how fast it says it's going. Okay, it'll keep going. Yeah, it is. That's pretty good. So overall, this Suchiyu 16103 Gantry with a brushed motor was a pretty nice little RC car. We got it up to a top speed of about 16.2 miles an hour on a 2S LiPo battery. It seemed to be a quick little car, easy to control, had 3 speeds on it, so it's good for beginners as well as those who are more advanced. And for $26.40 on Amazon, this was a pretty good buy. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you on the next Cables RC video.